Hello, I'm Stuti Shukla. Now I am here to give you important information how to get a provisional COVID-19 vaccine certificate using your Aadhaar number or mobile phone. The authority issues a vaccination certificate indicating that someone has been vaccinated once the primary dose of the vaccine has been received. The immunization certificates contain all of the beneficiaries' primary information. India is in the midst of the second wave of COVID-19 with more than 4 lakh of coronavirus contamination cases reported every day for 4 days in a row. Since May 1, the authorities have made vaccination mandatory for everyone above the age of 18 in order to combat these highly infectious diseases. As per the Union Ministry of Health, India is now the quickest United States within the SIDE International to manage 17 crore doses of the COVID-19 vaccine. Ministry facts indicate that complete of 17 crore 1,76,603 doses of vaccines were administered in 24,70,799 sessions so far. Currently, the vaccines are administered in India. Covishield evolved through Serum Institute of India. Covaxin from the Bharat Biotech. Once the primary dose of vaccine is received, authorities issues a vaccination certificate confirming that someone has been vaccinated. This began as soon as a person receives the primary dose. The certificates contain all of the beneficiaries' basic information such as name, age and gender, as well as the immunization information. The name of the vaccine, the date of the primary dose was received, the subsequent expiration date where the individual was vaccinated, and via whom may all the found under the vaccination information. So when you have acquired your dose, the subsequent thing you want to be a download the vaccination certificate. So now I am here to tell you how to download vaccine certificate by Aadhaar from DigiLocker app. The DigiLocker software allows you to preserve a variety of personal files as well as Aadhaar card, driving license and other documents. The app also stores information from various other Indian government departments. Following these steps will allow you to download the corona vaccination certificate from the DigiLocker software. First of all, go to the Play Store and download and install the DigiLocker software on your device. Now complete the application registration procedure by providing information such as your name, DOB, gender, security PIN, cell phone number, Aadhaar number and phone number. After you have registered, go to the Central Government tab and select the Ministry of Family Health and Welfare from the drop-down menu. You should now see a vaccine certificate option. Then to receive the COVID vaccine certificate, click the vaccine certificate link and enter your 13-digit reference ID. At last, after this, you see your vaccine certificate. Be safe and keep watching Krishi Jagran Business. Thank you.